Listen up, because I just found a creator pulling in over $30,000 in just 90 days running a totally faceless TikTok shop operation. The truly wild part is that their best performing clip was entirely AI generated, covering the actor, the voice, and the entire presentation. This person never physically touches the product or shows their own face, yet they are successfully cashing checks every single month. I know this sounds like pure clickbait right now, but this specific method is delivering genuinely consistent results for people who adopt it. Today, I want to break down exactly how this entire machine functions and pinpoint precisely where a tool like Vizard becomes indispensable. The short version of the entire model involves finding products that actually convert well on TikTok Shop. That's step one. Next, you build short, user-generated content style ads designed to speak directly to the audience's real-life pain points. Then, you leverage AI to generate believable on-screen talent who deliver the message authentically. Finally, you drive all that qualified traffic toward either your affiliate link or directly to the TikTok Shop listing. The loop is simple. Find, create, promote, and then just rinse and repeat that entire sequence across different products. While it sounds easy in theory, the execution gets complex unless you have the right set of automated tools in your corner. To prove this isn't just fluff, I did a deep dive using a tracker called Kalo Data for transparent analytics. You simply plug in the account name and it immediately reveals revenue figures, top selling products, and per video performance data. The specific account I examined showed approximately $30,000 generated over the last 90 days alone. In fact, one single product, ashwagandha, managed to pull in nearly $4,000 in less than a month of active promotion. So yes, there is absolutely real, quantifiable money being made within this specific e-commerce strategy. If you want to replicate this success, the critical first move is dedicated product or concept research. Go to TikTok and search keywords like ashwagandha to find high engagement posts that you need to dissect immediately. Study closely how they structure their hooks, what opening lines they use, and how they emotionally present the core problem. Pay attention to the specific calls to action that ultimately drive viewers to click and purchase the item. Next up is the crucial phase of copywriting and developing a tight, effective script for your ads. My personal workflow involves aggregating 3 to 10 viral TikToks about the target topic and feeding them into a script assistant. The secret sauce is extracting all the common themes, symptoms, benefits, and emotional triggers mentioned across all those sources. Then, you instruct the AI to generate a 15 to 20 second UGC script that sounds completely conversational and super authentic. A great example of an attention-grabbing hook might be something like, "Constantly stressed and exhausted? That used to be me until I found this." That kind of immediately relatable opening line is precisely what stops the mobile scroll dead in its tracks. Once you have the final script locked in, many creators turn to tools like Arcus AI for generating their on-screen actors and their voice track. You choose an avatar that visually matches the specific niche you are targeting, which surprisingly works well for health topics. You simply paste your polished script into the system, adjust the voice settings, and then render that short, compelling clip. The next step involves marrying that AI talent footage with necessary background visuals like B-roll or supplementary screenshots. You stitch everything together in an editing application, typically something widely accessible like CapCut for quick assembly. The final touches include adding perfectly synchronized captions, implementing tasteful zoom animations, and overlaying a currently trending TikTok sound. Now, all of that described process works perfectly fine for generating a single successful ad, but that's where the friction starts to build up. Sourcing long-form content, manually hunting down those viral snippets, scripting constant variations, it all consumes an incredible amount of time. If your goal is to scale from promoting just one product to managing 10 products and multiple creator personas, the manual route simply collapses. This is the precise moment where a platform like Vizard fundamentally alters the entire workflow and changes the game completely. Instead of treating every single long video as a brand new editing project, Vizard analyzes one source recording for you. This single source can be a raw live stream, an hour-long webinar, an interview, or any extensive piece of content you already possess. It then intelligently hunts for the most engaging and shareable moments automatically, utilizing content analysis signals. The system doesn't just snip randomly, it specifically selects clips that are already primed to go viral on short-form platforms. It builds out short, platform-native edits that perfectly capture the intended tone for TikTok and Instagram Reels almost instantly. So instead of spending hours manually searching for those golden 15 to 30 second hooks, Vizard extracts the best parts for you while you relax. Moving beyond just finding clips, Vizard's auto-edit viral clips feature generates near ready-to-post content in mere seconds. Do you need a UGC-style cut where the AI avatar points at a key graphic element and you can overlay a strong call to action? Vizard helps you assemble these specific visual combinations without the typical struggle against complex editing timelines in CapCut. And about those crucial captions, they are auto-generated and automatically style matched so they read like a human wrote them, not some robotic dump. The biggest hurdle most creators hit when trying to scale is maintaining consistent posting frequency across all channels. Other tools are great for one-off edits or just generating synthetic actors, but they completely fail to solve the daily publishing grind. This is where Vizard's auto-schedule feature steps in, letting you set the required posting cadence for the AI to manage automatically. The system cues the correct content variations for the optimal posting times based on platform norms, eliminating spreadsheet babysitting. You do not need to hire a virtual assistant just to manage the distribution logic because the tool handles all of that complexity for you. Furthermore, the built-in content calendar inside Vizard is actually usable when you try to operate at serious scale. It offers a single pane of glass to review upcoming posts, make quick adjustments, add internal notes, and publish everywhere. Compare that streamlined experience to juggling one app for editing, another for actor generation, and a third for scheduling. It becomes incredibly messy. Vizard integrates everything you need: smart clip selection, light finishing edits, captions, scheduling, and integrated analytics. Let's be completely honest about the other competition in this space for a moment to see where Vizard truly pulls ahead. CapCut offers amazing flexibility for the deepest, most precise manual edits, but you still have to find the source clips yourself. AI actor generators like Arcus are fantastic for creating synthetic faces and voices, yet they only focus on that very narrow creation slice. There are dedicated scheduling platforms available, but they won't lift a finger to assist you with the actual video editing work. Vizard secures its advantage by intelligently combining that crucial automated clip extraction with the necessary publishing workflows. This combination ensures creators avoid constantly bouncing between 4 or 5 different specialized applications to get one video out. Now, let's walk through a practical path you can use to emulate that successful creator using a Vizard-first operational setup. Step 1 is research. Use analytics tools or simply search TikTok for your product term, identifying those key pain points. Your task is to save 10 to 20 relevant long videos, which will serve as the high-quality raw source footage for the entire process. Step 2 is uploading all that long-form material directly into Vizard instead of manually trimming every piece in an external editor. Allow the system to work its magic as it thoroughly analyzes the content and automatically extracts every single potential viral clip for you. Step 3 involves reviewing the AI suggestions, where you can choose to keep, merge, or subtly nudge the system toward a preferred style. You can export different variations easily, specifying slightly different captions or overlay text for each final version. Step 4 suggests augmenting your content with an AI actor clip only when you specifically require a talking head style segment. You create that small synthetic piece in a tool like Arcus and then simply upload it back into Vizard to integrate it seamlessly. This ensures you can add that synthetic element without completely derailing the overall optimized, automated publishing workflow you've established. Step 5 is setting your frequency, perhaps 3 posts a day, and then letting Vizard manage the exact timing across all your linked social channels. The system distributes the unique clips intelligently based on the best times proven to generate audience traction on each specific platform. Finally, step 6 dictates that you must iterate constantly, using Vizard's simple analytics to quickly spot winners and eliminate underperforming formats. This data-driven approach lets you double down on successful hooks and formats to maximize your content's return on effort. Even when using this automated system, I still recommend a few human editing tips to keep things feeling incredibly genuine. Don't strip out every single natural pause, because retaining some breathing room is what actually makes the clip feel authentic. Ensure you use on-screen captions that are easy to read, like the clean lines of the Montserrat or similar clear-cut fonts. Strategically place your text blocks so they never clash or overlap with the platform's native call-to-action buttons at the bottom of the screen. Crucially, add a trending sound directly within the TikTok app rather than embedding music into the exported video file itself. TikTok's internal algorithm often rewards content that utilizes native, currently popular sound features for wider reach. But the beauty is that for all these precise details, Vizard handles the overwhelming majority of the heavy lifting, slashing editing time from hours to mere minutes. To sum up, the Faceless TikTok Shop monetization method is definitely real and very repeatable, provided you automate the repetitive heavy lifting. You can absolutely still use Poppy AI for inspiration and Arcus for unique synthetic clips, but Vizard acts as the essential glue that binds it all together for scaling. If your primary goal is achieving high volume, unwavering consistency, and maximum speed, this integrated approach is the only way to avoid immediate creator burnout. If you are serious about turning any long-form recording into a predictable stream of monetizable short clips, focus on smart extraction and automated publishing. This is the modern shift that allows you to move beyond relying on a single viral hit and build a reliable, predictable revenue engine instead. If you want to test these concepts rapidly, take one long video, put it through Vizard's auto-slicing, adjust 2 captions, and schedule it to publish. You will be genuinely surprised at how quickly the system can generate multiple unique, platform-ready posts from that single source file. Alright, that is the complete blueprint for leveraging AI to run a highly profitable, faceless e-commerce system. If you want to dive deeper, I can certainly create a follow-up tutorial with precise screenshots and the exact prompts I fed into Poppy, Arcus, and Vizard. That follow-up would detail the exact recipe I used while researching how that one creator achieved their massive $30,000 monthly benchmark. But for right now, just take one longer piece of content, upload it to Vizard, let it slice the best parts, and schedule the output. That single demonstration of immediate, high-volume clipping is usually more than enough proof to convince anyone this isn't just abstract theory.